Hello and welcome back to our new section, which is called Business Performance Controls, i.e. Balanced Scorecard. Business performance can be controlled and analyzed by various means: budget, forecast, trend analysis, industry peers that we will be discussing in a while now. So the balance the why we need a balanced scorecard, we will look at it also again now. It's a bit off from our previous discussions on financial statement analysis, but I thought it's a quite an important thing to include in the course for a basic understanding. So here we are. So how do we measure the performance of the business? So we measure by budget, we compare by previous years, we do by trend analysis, and then we compare by industry peers. Now this is how we measure the performance of the business. But why do we need a balanced scorecard then? The balanced scorecard is actually a tool to compare, to communicate to the management or to the operational control of the organization on what are their targets. So this balance scorecard is combining three issues. It compares to see the non-financial KPIs and non-financial KPIs. That is why it's called balanced scorecard. That will be taking care of financial objectives as well as the non-financial objectives. So what is a balanced scorecard? Balanced scorecard is a carefully selected set of quantifiable measures derived from an organization's strategy. Now here is which serves as a tool to communicate the outcome and performance drivers which will help to achieve to achieve its mission and strategic objectives. So now this is a tool. So it means that the balanced scorecard is a tool to communicate the outcomes and performance drivers. Now how we compare the performance is, again, it depends on the trends analysis, industry peers, budget and forecast. So this is the only analysis part. Balanced scorecard is a communication tool to communicate to the management, set their targets and what is going to be their targets. Now we will be looking at it in more details when we look at a sample of the balanced scorecard which I have designed for a hotel, because I work in hotel industry. So now how balance card is an important tool, because it communicates your strategy. It's measured with your strategy, and it aligns the overall objective of the organization, which we can see from this picture. This picture has been taken from a book called Balanced Scorecard, written by I'm not sure where. But this book also has taken it from the Robert S. Kaplan and David Norton, using the balance card for strategic management system. So it's a Harvard Business Review. So what they say is a balance scorecard provides a framework to translate strategy into operational terms, which is vision to strategy. Now here is say it take care of four things: financial. To succeed, what are the financial objectives, what are the measures and thoughts, and then internal business processes. It also aims to improve certain operational efficiencies, learning and growth for employees, and customer perspective. So it takes four perspective into the account. So it is a well balanced. This is why it says it's a balanced scorecard. Now before we go in and see into the details of the balance scorecard, let's look at it. Let's look at a sample now. We will look at a sample in the next video.